Yes.
Every station has a sticker.
Like this? Wait, where's something animal?
What would an animal eat?
Oh, there it is. This is the wild. Yay, I got my bird sticker.
And we're all about birds. So what we're doing is we're talking about birds, the different types of birds, and the different types of
Wait,
beaks
is it
that
on
they
the
have.
back? Can you just say
Yeah, it goes on the back.
Hey, look what I got. And then after.
No, what you do is we're doing this activity where you make bird beaks, and all birds have different beaks depending upon the different types of food that they eat.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Some birds have a really long beak like the hummingbird. Some birds have short beaks, and some birds have flat, wide beaks like a duck. This would be a duck beak, so what you want, and you can cut them out, cut it out, color it, and then wear it around your nose like a beak. And when you're done, you get the sticker. Okay? So the person you're